This illustration deals with spliced conductors in accordance with NEC 230.46. Now notice we splice the conductors really up there at the weatherhead to the service drop. There is spliced terminations in the meter base. So we know that NEC loop talks about 110.14, which is splicing and terminating into terminals, 300.5E, 300.13, 300.15, all deal with terminating or splicing or tapping conductors. Now, we suggest you read the NEC loop very careful, read about the 230.54, where those conductors at the weatherhead is going to splice to the service drop conductors from the utility pole to this point. And also review 230.46 and 230.66 for the meter. But we're going to review splice conductors here, and this figure 6-21 kind of gets this into motion where it is considered splicing those conductors in the meter as well as that weatherhead.